If you're a creative person looking to make money online, selling print-on-demand products could be a great option for you. Print-on-demand is a business model where you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and then sell them through an online platform. When someone places an order for your product, the platform prints and ships it for you, so you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. One of the most popular print-on-demand services is Printful. With Printful, you can design and sell your own custom products through your online store or marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. They offer a wide range of products and materials to choose from, including t-shirts, hoodies, posters, phone cases, and more. Another great print-on-demand service is Society6. They specialize in art and home decor products like prints, tapestries, throw pillows, and blankets. You can upload your own designs to Society6 and they take care of printing and shipping for you. They also have a large community of artists and designers, so it's a great platform to connect with like-minded people. With these print-on-demand services, you can turn your creative ideas into profitable products without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping. So if you're looking for a flexible and fun way to make money online, consider selling print-on-demand products.